Hi, I'm Dan from Grillstream, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the drip tray on your new Grillstream Gourmet Barbecue. So the grease tray is made up of three parts. We have the main grease tray itself, we have the grease cup, and we have the grease cup bracket. Now the purpose of the grease tray is to catch any excess fat and detritus before it goes into the main cabinet of your barbecue and makes that all dirty. It's a very simple install this. We have two holes in here which we will use to attach the grease cup bracket. And we'll take our bolt pack and we'll take the last two M4x12 bolts. We'll pass the first one through and we'll take our grease cup bracket, and ensuring that that's pointing towards the front of the grease tray, we'll secure it in place. Now leaving it slightly loose, we'll get the other one and we'll further secure it. Now we'll tighten the first one up so it's nice and secure. And that's the grease cup bracket attached. We'll now just place the grease cup in there and we'll slide it in on these runners in the back of the barbecue. And that's the grease tray all sorted.